Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Bingo Blitz game. So let's get started right away. If you have already installed the Bingo Blitz game, then first of all go ahead and open it up. And now once you open up the game, if you don't have an account already, tap on New Player. You will then be taken through the sign up process of the Bingo Blitz game. Just wait for a while until the game is done loading, and now you will be taken into the sign up page. Tap on the I accept button, and now you can tap on the Let's Go button, after which you will be given 50 credits to start enjoying your game. And now you can play the first level, and after you complete this level, your sign up process will be completed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Bingo Blitz game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.